These hot, sunny days can be really tough, not just for us, but for our plants too. You've probably seen leaves drooping, soil drying out, and your garden not looking as happy as it used to. Hi everyone, welcome back to Pot and Bloom. I'm Labhya, and today I'm sharing some easy tips to heat proof your vegetable garden so your plants stay strong and keep growing no matter how hot it gets. Let's start with something really simple. Give your plants some shade. Too much direct sun can really tire them out and even burn the leaves. You can use anything you have at home, an old bed sheet, a green shade net, or even a big umbrella. Just cover them during the hottest part of the day. It's a simple way to help them cool down, like giving your plants a little break from the sun. Next, let's talk about watering smartly. If you water in the middle of the day when the sun's strong, most of it dries up before the plants can use it. So it's best to water early in the morning or in the evening when it's cooler. And always aim for the soil near the roots. That's where your plants need it most. Now here's a simple hack. Use mulch. Just cover the soil around your plants with dry leaves, grass, straw, or anything similar you have at home. It keeps the soil nice and cool, holds on to moisture, and stops the water from drying up too fast in the heat. Think of it like giving your plants a comfy blanket to keep them safe from the hot sun. Some veggies actually thrive in the heat. In fact, they love it. If summers get really hot where you live, try growing plants like okra, chilies, or cherry tomatoes. These are tough veggies that can handle hot days without a problem. To make it easier, Pot and Bloom has DIY vegetable growing kits with these heat-loving plants. You get everything you need: seeds, organic pot mix, and all the basics to get started. It's a super simple and fun way to grow your own veggies at home, even if you have never tried gardening before. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. It's better not to add fertilizer when the weather is too hot. When it's really warm, plants are already stressed and just trying to survive. Feeding them during this time can actually make things harder instead of helping. So give them a break and wait for cooler days. That's when they'll be ready for a healthy boost. So, if your vegetable garden is struggling in the heat, try these simple tips. They can make a big difference. No fancy tools needed, just small changes to keep your plants happy all summer long. And if you're confused about what and how to grow, just visit Pot and Bloom and check out the variety of DIY vegetable grow kits. From okra and cherry tomatoes to French beans, peas, and more. You'll find everything you need to start your own veggie garden the easy way. No stress, no guesswork, just simple, fun gardening at home. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple garden tips from Pot and Bloom. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep your plants cool and happy gardening.